mozzarella, and
so I'm gonna try to see if I get this going here. You know, I don't know much, but it's cracked. Hopefully you can see it. It's cracked. See?
you need
I don't think I need like. It's my first one. I'm just experimenting here. Gonna see how it goes. We're gonna see how it goes. I think this is all glass. The screen. Perfect. So I think I'm supposed to preheat this and then we'll go from there. So we're gonna test this baby out. We'll see. Alright, so they told me it was 90 Celsius. But well, it does get. Ooh. Man, am I supposed to have this on there? This is like pretty hot. Wow. Wow, that is hot. Uy, uy, uy. Let's see. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Let's hope it works after. Wow. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee.
yes,
I know, people, you're gonna make fun of me.
for sure.
Woo! My fingers are gonna.
So maybe something is not.
So we took out the frame. It was fairly easy. Now I'm gonna be setting up this wire. But I took up the frame. I don't know if I recorded it or not. I'm sorry if I didn't, but it came out pretty easy. I hope I don't burn it. I put it up to 90. Then I shut it off. This gets real hot. So, but this is the frame. It's looking good so far, but I just don't want to fry the chips or anything, so I just turned it off again. But now it seems like it's getting harder. It looks like it's getting harder. So maybe I gotta put more heat again. I don't know. Yep, it's getting harder, so I'm gonna turn it on again. They told me 85 to 90 Celsius. So that's what I've been using. I hope I don't burn on all the chips. See, now it's getting easier again. Oh, this is coming up. So we'll try to go backwards again, see if...
Yep. Yeah, let's take it up. Whoa.
So...
That's the glue?
So we have the... Goes the glass. We gotta try to throw it somewhere. So there you go. We got the... Alright, so now I'm gonna try to clean this the best I can. It's hard, I don't have the machine to clean all this glue, so I gotta take my time. So I'm gonna pause it until I clean it, and like I said, when I test it, I hope everything works. I didn't burn none of the chips. I'm using the type of heat that they told me, which they told me it was 85 to 90 Celsius. So I don't know if I cracked this or if it was cracked, but I don't see how I possibly could have done this crack, as you can see. So maybe when the glue is on it, I wasn't able to see the crack, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna probably open my phone and test this one once it's all done. I'm gonna try to put the whole thing first, and let's hope it works. But as you could see, look. So it looks like the crack was always there. You just couldn't see it with the glue, because I don't know. Would it have cracked when I was... I don't know. Like I said, look at the crack. I don't know if I did it or what, but you could see it here. Maybe when the glue is on it, you can't see it, but I'm gonna go all the way. It's an original OLED screen. I'm gonna go all the way. I got nothing to lose. And we'll see what happens. You know? So now I'm gonna try to add the glue and the new plastic and the new clear glass. And we'll go from there. So
nice.
We're gonna try though. So let's see. I'm gonna try. Can't promise anything. I cannot promise anything, people. But we're gonna try to make this as I tried to pull out some of the bubbles. I got a mess. Yeah, I tell you right now, it's not so easy. It is not as easy as I thought. I don't know if we're gonna have any bubbles or not, but I try my best. Now I'm gonna just try to clean it and make sure that it looks squared off. So see, it's a mess. I can see the crack there. I wasn't able to see that crack before, but clearly there was a crack on here, I guess. But it's to learn. This little piece of machine is nice though. After you do a couple, you'll definitely get the hang of it. So I like it. Like I said, when I test it, we're gonna find out. So I'll be back, guys. So I don't want to make this video any longer than what it is. But that was when I basically first started messing with it, and of course now I could do it like nothing. But that actually was not a crack. It was because, like I said, on the text parts, is that I was pulling up with the wire. You're not supposed to pull up. You got to pull basically down and towards you, but down towards the cracked clear screen, not towards the OLED side. So what I did was, when I started it on one side and I started pulling up. I guess I cut into the touch sensor. It has like a little mat, real thin and clear, and that's what makes the OLED, you know, you're touch sensitive. So I basically cracked it in half, and that's what it was. The OLED is fine, turns on, but the touch in one side doesn't work because I ripped it. So be careful at the beginning. Start from the bottom of the screen toward like where the connector is to charge it, and start from that side and then go slowly. Make sure you're preheated to 90 Celsius or 85 and your vacuum is on, and then you'll start. It's an easy breezy, trust me, once you got it. I just didn't know much at the beginning, but thanks for watching, y'all, and y'all be good.